Hi everybody, the GUCCI Winter Beauty Show is here. Yes, look at this beautiful, spectacular eyeshadow palette from GUCCI. Yay! This palette, $68. Hello, for GUCCI, actually it's not too bad. If you know how much cost shoes, clothes, it's insane. What it means, this one, it's okay price. Again, we have here 4 colors with you. One it's creamy and another 2 matte and one it's shimmer. Let me quick swatch for you, show you how these colors looks. But if you like this look, I create just for you. If you wanna look young after 45, this is video for you. Hello GUCCI girl, let me show you how to use this little mini eyeshadow. You know what? I will take it back, this words mini. It's not mini eyeshadow. It's a pretty good size eyeshadow, but look at my eyes. And of course I have this secret dust, sparkly dust on my eyes. I will show you, I will tell you what it is, but let's start. Love you more than ice cream. Thank you so much for supporting me. It's look just created for you. I know you want me to use right now, but give me a minute because I need to little bit improve my skin. What does mean? Let's put foundation, concealer, a little bit powder, and then I will use you. I have already skincare on my face, and today I'm gonna use foundation from Clinique, and this is Beyond Perfecting foundation 2-in-1 concealer and foundation together, medium to full coverage. And look at this applicator, it's huge. Foundation looks pretty good, but I can see on some area it looks a little bit heavy. I'm gonna use my beauty blender where it's like all just wet sponge, no products, and I'm just gonna go one more time and I'm just remove this slightly heaviness. But it's a good coverage and you can see it's really glowing. Wow, foundation looks good, but my lid it's really dark. Let's apply a little bit foundation on my eyelid. Let's add little bit more this foundation concealer under my eyes, and I'm using today North brush. It's an angle brush. I love this brush for my eyeshadow. I like for my concealer. By the way, I'm getting in love with North brushes. Foundation is done, and let's put little bit powder on my face, and I'm using Lancome Double Wear, very little, like just tiny bit. And time to set my concealer. Let's use Makeup Forever HD powder. I have a very little on my palm, and I'm just gonna set this concealer underneath. I feel a little bit pale, and let me show you this bronze. Ta-da! Yes, it's not GUCCI, it's Claire Depot, but I absolutely in love with this bronze. We have 2 colors with you here. We have lighter, we have darker, and underneath we have a brush, and it's more like a tiny brush, but I do like sometimes I want a little bit more maybe structure my bronze, but I love these colors. Again, we have lighter, we have darker color, beautiful quality. And hello bronze, bring me to life. Again, I'm gonna use same brush, Chanel brush, and I'm gonna apply this bronze a little bit close to my hairline, then little bit underneath, and I pushing this bronze up and right here underneath. Bronze make a huge difference. Now I'm in life. Now let's little bit fill my eyebrows, and then we're gonna do my eyes. When I swatch this little baby, and it is little, it's giving me pretty good pigment, but I'm still gonna use my favorite primer from MAC Painterly on entire my eyelid, and then we're gonna use eyeshadow. I know a lot of you say, hi, it's not much, it's only 4 colors here, but you know what, are you a makeup artist? Do you need these hundreds eyeshadows? No, you can create amazing look, like stunning, with 2 or 3 eyeshadows, and you don't need 20. Let's create the GUCCI Women Winter Eyeshadow look. Let's use this beautiful lavender purpley eyeshadow on my low lid, and I am applying with big blending brush. And I'm gonna push this color a little bit up. This color, it's matte, it's so pretty. It is like I mentioned, lavender, little bit purpley, but also have slightly, or it looks like slightly little bit gray undertone. I like it. I love this palette. It's simple, nice quality. Even previous palette, remember I make already one video with GUCCI eyeshadow, and it's also simple for colors, but I look so young, I look so pretty to use, easy to use, and quality and texture really good. I'm gonna use my beauty blender and slightly a little bit clean underneath. Now it's time to use this light shimmer eyeshadow. I remember previous palette have also shimmer light color and have very good pigment, and I'm not disappointed. This is so beautiful. And let's add this color right here a little bit in the corner. You know, I have idea. GUCCI have like it's a fall winter fashion show. They should have a like fall winter makeup show. Now one more time, I have a big blending brush, and I'm just gonna slightly a little bit salt this highlighter with purpley eyeshadow. I don't want too heavy, too structural. Remember, after 45, makeup no makeup look is best for you. Let's curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna use small tiny brush, and I'm gonna apply this teal eyeshadow very close to my lashes line. And now, are you ready? Let's use this small angle brush from Chanel, and we're gonna use this beautiful teal eyeshadow. And I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow little bit underneath. I feel I put a little bit low this eyeshadow, and it looks like putting my eyes down. What I'm gonna do, this is my foundation, this is concealer brush, and I'm just gonna slightly a little bit clean underneath and lift my eye. Let's add purple eyeshadow a little bit more right here in the corner, and I think we're done with eyes. We need a little bit primer, we little bit need mascara. Let's use today primer from Lancome, and Lancome green mascara will look so pretty. And if you're going somewhere, you can put some little shimmer sparkly eyeshadow in center and will look so sexy. Okay, let's finish this eye look. Lancome Lash Primer, it's my favorite primer. And then let's use gorgeous mascara from Lancome. And again, look at this green one. I'm moving this basically applicator. I warming a little bit this mascara, and then I'm gonna apply. And it's not bright green, it's like a black green. Beautiful color. I love this green color. It's very hard to find green mascara. And then for my bottom lashes, I use MAC. I do like this mascara. It's so small, tiny brush. It's perfect for lashes, for your bottom lashes. And now let's use Chantecaille Nude eyeliner. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my waterline. And then let's put a little bit highlighter, a little bit blush, and some lip color. I'm not sure which one should I pick. I love to mix like expensive products and not. Let's use this beautiful highlighter from brand La Revolution. It's so pretty. I like this like a pink undertone, and you need very little. Look at this glow. For my blush, let's use Charlotte Tilbury. It's First Love blush. I love this color. It looks pale, it looks light, but will give you nice, beautiful color. And I just love this blush. I put on my white brush from Trish McAvoy, and you can see it's have enough color here. I'm gonna use lip liner from Chanel 158. It's pretty neutral color and it's name Rose Natural. And then remember, this palette has this like orangey red lip color or cream color. You can use this for a cheek, you can use this for lips. Maybe somebody else will use this for the eyes, but not me. I'm telling you now. Okay, let's put this beautiful lip combo on my lips. Now I have Chanel lip liner and let's use this lip color. I feel my lips a little bit dry. Let's use something to hydrate my lips. Yes, girls, guys, let me introduce you to this product. It's named Perfecting Gloss. I bought this at Nordstrom and I think maybe they have like a special sale on this, and I really like it. This is like it's a lip treatment and lip plumper together. Look at this beautiful color. And I like name for this color, Nude Pearl. And also I really like they put in the box where it's expired. I just got this and this product will expire 2026. What it means, 3 years life show is pretty good. This product not just gonna enhance my lips, it's basically works like a lip plumper, will make my lips a little bit more pretty. Okay, and you know what, let's do something special. You know what, let's put some beautiful sparkles. By the way, if you like this video, please subscribe, comments below. Love you more than ice cream. And look at this. This is It's Makeup Forever Stardust number 103. I think I bought at Sephora. It's so pretty. Let's put slightly a little bit right there. Wow. And now I'm finishing my GUCCI Women Winter eye look for you. Love you more than ice cream. We'll see you in my next video.